Tell everybody good afternoon, boo. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yep. Boo, focus. Focus. Sorry about that, we had some technical difficulties and nothing wanted to focus. But, we're doing good now. I got some laundry ready to go downstairs. And that skirt, I haven't worn it yet, but I've worn it a couple of times, but it's got this huge spot on it, and I'm trying to figure out how to clean it. I'm trying to clean it, and it's getting really annoying because it's not coming out. But hey, Boo's hanging out with me today. Woo! I'm gonna show you me because my hair is a little messy right now, but I gotta fix it. So, yay! Cassie, doesn't she look like Hannah in that picture? Mm-hmm. Can't you see Hannah just jumping right out of there? I said she kind of looks like Hannah in this picture over Hannah's. Puppies, let's go party! This is the boring part, I'm sorry. Out there it is raining. We're taking our umbrella to keep the phone from the camera from getting wet. Because I do not trust this weather with my camera. There we go. We got an umbrella, so we're safe. See? We're safe. Mom's getting dressed so that she can go get the mail and shit like that. Ah! We're losing our umbrella. Go potty! See me go potty! It's raining men! Hallelujah! It's raining men! Amen! See me! You're supposed to stay in this yard! I can't just... Go potty! Oh boy. Yeah, I'm playing Agario. Watch how bad I am at this game. I told you I'm bad at this game. nasty and terrible. This game, on the other hand, I'm not so bad at. So I forgot to tell you goodnight last night, so I'm going to tell you goodnight now. Good night.